Comprehensive land use plan and earthquake readiness drills are seen as the best protection against such natural occurrences. The full story from Jonathan Llanes.
An intensified and continuous preparedness drill by local communities against possible occurrence of earthquakes would strengthen its readiness once this event happens in the country. This was the encouragement given by National Defense Assistant Secretary Eduardo Batak in the recent conduct of the nationwide simultaneous earthquake drill in Barangay San Vicente, San Manuel, Pangasinan. Batak stressed that having an intensified local earthquake preparedness drill will strengthen the commitment of local government units in building safer communities.
Ang ating first nationwide simultaneous earthquake drill, which is supposed to be held quarterly, by the way, para sa taong ito, ay ating idinaos dito sa San Roque Dam at sa bayan ng San Manuel upang malaman natin at mapagsanayan ang tamang gagawin kung sakaling umapaw at masira ang dam dahil sa isang malakas na lindol.
Meanwhile, Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology Executive Director Dr. Renato Saludum expressed the importance of having an effective land use plan by local government units. This, he said, paves the way for local officials to improve the existing land use plan by LGUs to help avert the after effects of earthquakes in the country.
Ano po ba talaga ang primary o pangunahing problema kapag lumindol? Paghahanda, hindi lang ng tao, kundi handa pa ang mga bahay natin, mga eskwelahan, at mga opisina. Babagsak ba sila o hindi? Kasi kung hindi sila babagsak, okay tayo sa loob. Pero kung babagsak at may mahuhulog, delikado tayo. So, pangalawang gagawin, kasi nandito po yung mga local officials and regional officials, kailangan natin i-implement ang ating National Building Code ng mahusay. Yun po ang solusyon sa lindol. Kahit mag-duck over and hold tayo, kung yung building naman ay babagsak sa atin, mas maliit ang tsansa natin maging ligtas. So dalawa po, matibay at handang mga bahay at gusali, handang mga tao. Yun po ang solusyon sa lindol.
From the province of Pangasinan and for the People's Television, Jonathan Llanes.